Learn 3 powerful money rituals that not only attract wealth, but also protect your home and life from financial woes. If you felt money is always out of reach, this ritual is for you. Discover the ancient magic of cloves, a common spice, and how it can transform your money mindset. Dive into the ritual with 3 methods: the Money Pot Prosperity Charm, Abundance Infusion Water, and the Triple Goddess Pouch. Each method taps into the mystical properties of cloves to magnetize wealth. But the magic doesn't stop there. Continue by walking under or passing the clove charm regularly, vocalizing affirmations, and visualizing a river of gold coins for ongoing prosperity. This simple ritual, using items from your spice cabinet, sends a clear signal to the universe that you're ready to receive money. Maximize its power by aligning it with the new moon, incorporating green candles and crystals, and saying wealth affirmations. Track your financial progress and maintain consistency to drive results. Refresh the ritual by adding new cloves monthly, using clove oil, and identifying and addressing money blocks. Ensure your ritual tools are in energy-rich spots, like the front door. Stay consistent. Trust in the power of your ritual, and express gratitude for even small signs of prosperity. Watch as your financial energy begins to transform positively. Be honest, you did nothing in 2023, and 2024 will be same if you don't act now. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. You must act now, we have only limited seats. As the clock ticks, arrange your garments in designated spaces and witness a cascade of prosperity flowing into your life like an endless fountain. Today, I unveil 3 rituals, not only to draw wealth, but also to fortify your home and life. These rituals act as a shield against financial burdens, ensuring that money perpetually flows into your life, making abundance the norm. If you've clicked on this because you feel money has always eluded you, no matter your efforts, your skepticism may waver. Allow me to reveal a simple spice in your cupboard, a key to rewriting the script of scarcity. Cloves, embedded in magical traditions for millennia, have the power, when combined with intention and belief, to transform your money mindset. In a 3-minute ritual, I'll guide you through using cloves to signal to the universe your readiness to receive money and opportunities. To ignore this would mean risking continued stagnation in your financial journey. By investing a few moments in this spice ritual, you could witness a significant cash flow entering your life. Cloves, with their historical use across ancient cultures, possess the remarkable ability to attract wealth, prosperity, and financial luck. The stimulating scent of cloves activates areas in our brains linked to emotions, desire, prosperity, and motivation, setting the stage for a mindset that attracts money. Beyond scent, the rich aroma of cloves triggers feelings of warmth, comfort, happiness, ambition, and security. This instinctual response aligns our minds to attract and receive money. Cloves also resonate with a unique energetic vibration, harmonizing with frequencies associated with abundance and wealth. This combination of scent initiation, energy harmonizing, and centuries-old magical use establishes cloves as a genuine money attractor. In folk magic, witchcraft, hoodoo, Santeria, and other mystical traditions, cloves have been trusted tools for amplifying financial luck. Practitioners strategically place cloves in their homes to shift energy flows and invite abundance. The consistency of this historical precedence underscores the potent properties of this common spice. Modern research combined with ancient wisdom sheds light on why something as simple as cloves can magnetize wealth. Now, armed with the knowledge of why cloves attract wealth, let's delve into a ritual to harness their prosperous power. The first ritual involves a money pot prosperity charm. Create a charm pot by filling a small flower pot halfway with soil. Place 3 whole cloves in the soil while visualizing abundant wealth. Choose a living prosperity plant and transplant it on top of the buried cloves. Keep this money plant on your desk, windowsill, or front entry table, watering it while repeating prosperity affirmations. The next ritual is the abundance infusion water. Fill a glass jar halfway with fresh cold water. Drop in 3 whole cloves while stating your financial goals. Seal the jar and place it near your front door. After 3 days, drink the water, refilling it with new cloves and fresh goals on each full moon. This clove water infusion fortifies interiors and inhabitants with forces of abundance. The final method involves gathering 3 large whole cloves to represent the triple goddess, maiden, mother, and crone. Securely tie the 3 cloves in a small drawstring pouch or cloth bag. For added symbolism, use gold or light green cloth representing prosperity. Optionally, add coins or a dollar bill. Hang the pouch above the main front door or entryway to your home, inviting fresh energy flows. The entrance becomes a crucial focal point for attracting prosperity. Each time you pass beneath or by the clove charm, vocalize your affirmation. Wealth and prosperity flow freely to me now. Envision a river of golden coins surging towards you. Immerse yourself in the sensation of abundant wealth. For sustained outcomes, press the cloves monthly to unleash their stimulating aroma, revitalizing the mystical properties. Add fresh cloves each month or season, enhancing the potency of the ritual. Complement this practice with positive money habits such as budgeting, paying yourself first, and repeating wealth affirmations. Aligned actions amplify the magic. This ritual, a brief yet powerful endeavor using items likely already in your spice cabinet, communicates a resounding message to the universe. You are prepared to welcome money in new, exciting ways. While the simplicity of this money-drawing ritual with cloves is evident, there are numerous ways to heighten its impact. Optimal results may be achieved by synchronizing the ritual with the new moon, capitalizing on the energies of intention setting at their peak. Incorporate green candles symbolizing growth and prosperity. Enhance the ritual by placing crystals like citrine, pyrite, and jade nearby to amplify the abundance vibrations emanating from the cloves. Utter money or wealth affirmations allowed during the ritual to concentrate your mind and energy on your financial goals. Tracking monetary gifts, tax refunds, work bonuses, or new income streams post-ritual offers tangible evidence of the magic at work. Consistency and motivation are paramount for results, and combining various clove rituals magnifies the efficacy of your prosperous spells. Refresh the cloves monthly to invigorate their energetic properties, and consider incorporating clove oil periodically to enhance the ritual elements. Preceding the spells with meditation intensifies your focus on abundance, providing stronger energetic currents for the magic to work with. Integrate physical items like cloves and crystals to bolster the magic substance. Identifying and addressing money blocks, such as limiting beliefs instilled in childhood, unveils underlying obstacles. Augment the magic by including practical steps like budgeting, investing, pursuing promotions, or freelance work. Ensure your ritual tools, like the spice pouch, are positioned in areas with fresh, flowing energy, such as the front door or entryway. Switching locations infuses new ambience, revitalizing any stagnating spells. Above all, remain consistent. Trust in the potency of your crafted ritual, and express gratitude for even the smallest signs of prosperity. This journey is about gradual alignment, not instant results. Stay persistently positive with your clove money magic, and observe how your financial energy transforms in wondrous ways. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by Rogue NASA scientist. As you embark on this transformative journey with clove money magic, remember to stay consistent and trust in the power of the ritual you've built. Express gratitude for even the smallest signs of prosperity. Whether you're refreshing the cloves monthly, adding in elements like clove oil, or identifying and addressing money blocks, each step contributes to the magic. Make sure your ritual tools, like the spice pouch, are in energy-rich spots, and consider switching locations to breathe new life into the spell. Above all, be persistent, and watch how your financial energy begins to transform in wondrous ways. Thank you for joining me on this magical quest for abundance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more enchanting content. Until next time, stay positively persistent, and may prosperity flow freely into your life.